Students, you have to study lesson 1 of history, that is the French Revolution. In French Revolution, I have already discussed how the National Assembly was formed and what was the condition of France in that time. Okay, now I am taking lesson 1, chapter 3. You go 1, 2, 3. Chapter 3, there is given the Jacobins rule and the reign of terror. You will get, I will give you the screenshot of that very chapter, and you have to study it with taking consulting my own video. Okay, then start the chapter, this chapter, this very teaching point, that is reign of terror. Today, yesterday I just discussed how the Jacobins government was formed, how the National Assembly was displaced by the new legislature, that was known as convention. Now, after the change of legislature, when right to vote was given to all the people who have attained certain age, Maximilien Robespierre became the dictator in France in 1793, and harsh policy was adopted by him. That is why this very period from 1793 to 1794 is called the Reign of Terror, आतंक का साम्राज्य. Okay. Maximilien Robespierre, when became the dictator of France, he established the government of the Jacobins. He followed very harsh policy of control and punishment. To whom he thought were his own enemies were arrested and imprisoned. Then these enemies were called the enemies of the Republic of France, and these were ex-nobles, clergies, members of other political parties, and also the members of his own party who did not agree with the views, with the actions of Maximilien Robespierre. All were beheaded. सबको कत्ल कर दिया गया, सबके सर कलम कर दिए गए. Such enemies were beheaded. If the court found them guilty, they were beheaded. It was at that time called guillotined. It was called guillotined. Guillotine was a device, a method in which two poles were made, and in between two poles there was a blade. The person who was given capital punishment by the revolutionary court was just beheaded by this blade. With the help of this blade, it was because invented by Dr. Guillotine. In this way, the guillotine got its name. With this, the today's teaching topic ends here. My mobile number is 9161570961. It's my WhatsApp number. You can send me message. You can call me whenever you like. Actually, you can call me in the morning by 8 to between 8 to 9, and in the evening time 6 to 8 I am available here. Thank you.